In this video, I'll be solving the third problem of first session of AIME 2025. So 9 members of the baseball team went to an ice cream parlor after their game. So each player had a single scoop cone of chocolate, vanilla or strawberry ice cream. At least one player chose each flavor, and the number of players who choose chocolate was greater than the number of players who chose vanilla, and which was greater than the number of players who chose strawberry. And let n be the number of different assignments of those players that meet these conditions. So we need to find the remainder when n is divided by 1000. So for example, so suppose if I consider like CVS, so this will be the number of players who are choosing this. C is for chocolate, V is for vanilla, and S is for strawberry flavors. So, and we also have, each player has a single scoop at least, either chocolate, vanilla or strawberry. And we are also having the number that have taken chocolate is greater than vanilla, is greater than strawberry, and that is greater than or equal to 1. And we are having C plus V plus S is 9. So that means if I consider C as 9, then V plus S is 0, which is not possible because V and S should be at least 1. Similarly, if C is 8, V plus S is 1, that means 1 must be 0. So again, that is not possible. Now, if I take C is equals to 7, then V plus S is 2. So that means 1 and 1. But they are not greater. So one should be greater than the other, and both are non-zero. So this is also not possible. So at C is equals to 6, we are getting V plus S is 3. So if V plus S is 3, that means V can be 2 and S can be 1. That's one possibility. So 6 to 1 is one possibility. Now if C is 5, V plus S is 4. So that means 2 and 2 is not possible. So 3 and 1 is one possibility. 5, 3, 1 is one possibility, because other possibility is 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, and 0, 4, 4, 0. Those all are not possible. So 3, 1 is the only possibility here. And similarly, when C is 4, we are having V plus S is 5. So that means it can be 4, 3, 2. And if C is 3, V plus S is 6. That means 1 must be greater than this, 1 will be greater than this C value. So therefore, this case is not possible. So therefore, these are the only 3 possibilities that we will be having. So the 3 possible triples, which are like strict decrease, which are in a strict decreasing order, and the sum being 9, would be 6 to 1, 5, 3, 1, and 4, 3, 2. So now they're asking let n be the number of different assignments of players to meet those conditions. And we need to find the remainder when n is divided by 1000. So for example, so if we have to divide or rearrange this, so let's keep 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's fix these players here. Now basically different assignments is just different word rearrangements of this. Suppose if we consider 4, 3, 2. So 4, 3, 2 means 4 chocolates, 3 vanillas, and 2 strawberries. Now if we rearrange it in different way, we'll get different assignments of this ice cream flavors to different baseball players. So at any particular time, so basically at any point of time, so if we want for labeled players, so for labeled players, the number of assignments for a given CVS, for a given composition of CVS, is just a multinomial distribution, which is number of word rearrangements of 9 number of word rearrangements of a word having 9 letters, of which 6 are same, 2 are of same of other kind, and 1 is of same of other kind. So in that way, so this will be 9 factorial by C factorial into V factorial into S factorial. So the total, so the n would be number of different assignments. So that can happen in case 1, or it can happen in case 2, or it can happen it in third case. So that means if we see, so this is 7 into 8 into 9 by 2 plus 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 by 6 plus 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 by 6 into 2. So that means 2 4s. So 28 9s, which would be 9 8 72 and 252, plus 6 and 6 will go. Now 56 times 9, so that is 504, plus 6 and 6 will go, 2 4s. So 7 5s 35, 35 4s 210 and 210 9s 1260. So 252 plus 504, which is 756 plus 1276. So that would be 1260. So that would be 6 and 2016. So therefore, the number of different assignments would be 2016. Now we're asking what is the remainder when divided by 1000, because so now n is congruent to 2016 mod 1000, so that is congruent to 16 mod 1000. So therefore the answer for this question would be 16. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video.